In front of me is NUBIA Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then to add an audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files, click on your audio over here. Select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner. Following that, to add your audio file, you need to hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video window, you need to simply hit Gallery, tap on your video here or tap on Folders, look for it here and click on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!